An object 4 meter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and the size of the image. So in this problem, first we write the given things. Given the object height is given as 4 centimeter. So h, I am writing it as 4 centimeter, and it's placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from a concave mirror. So the u value, I'm writing it as 25 centimeter. I am leaving some space here to fill the Cartesian sign convention. And then convex length of focal length. So the focal length is given, that will be equal to 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Now we are taking a concave mirror, and the middle point is the pole, and here the center of curvature is somewhere here. So the line connecting the center of curvature and the pole, that forms the principal axis. So this length is going to be the radius of curvature, half the value, it's going to be the focal length f. So according to this, the focal length value, it's at a distance of 15 centimeter from the pole, and we are keeping an object at 25 centimeter. So this is 15 means r will be equal to 30 centimeter. So I am keeping the object between C and F. So C and F, I am keeping an object, and this object height is equal to 4 centimeter, and it is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter from the pole. Now we are going to calculate the image formed. What is the position of the image formed and the size of the image, the height of the image that is obtained on a screen. We are going to keep a screen here. It's going to be a real image. You know, real image can be captured on a screen. So that we are going to capture it. Here, as per theory, we know if we keep an object in between C and F, the image will be formed, will be beyond 2F. Beyond 2F, theoretically we know from the ray diagrams. Now, we try to write the Cartesian sign convention. So now the object, the height h, that will be 4 centimeter, that is above the principal axis. So if it is above the principal axis, I am going to write it as plus. If it is below the principal axis, then I am going to write it as minus. Next one is u. U is the object distance. Object distance will be equal to 25 centimeters, and all distance should be measured from the pole. And if we measure from the pole to the left side, it will be taken as minus. If we measure to the right side, then it is taken as plus. So here it's going to be minus 25 centimeter, and the focal length is also on the left side, so that will be equal to minus 15 centimeter. Now after we assign the Cartesian sign convention, and we now try to solve the problem. So I want to calculate we know the formula, 1 by f, that will be equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Here I want to calculate 1 by v. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, and so write the value of f. It will be minus 15, and then minus 1 by the value of u is equal to minus 25. It will be equal to, so minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. So now we are going to further simplify it. to try to get the value of V on cross multiplying and adding. 15 into 25 will be 375, and it will be 25 minus 25 plus 15, that will be equal to minus 10 by 375. So B is equal to 375 by 10, and V is equal to 37.5 centimeter, the minus sign. So the B, it is formed at a distance of 37.5 centimeter. So 37.75 centimeter means, and R is equal to 30, it is forming somewhere here, 37.5. And now we try to calculate the size of the image that is formed. Since it is a minus sign, it will be from pole to the left side at a distance of 37.5, the image is formed. Now we use the magnification formula. M is equal to minus V by U, that will be equal to H prime by H. U is the uh, distance of the object, and V is the distance of image, and H is the object height, H prime is the image height. So here U, V I already know. So now I want to calculate H prime. So H prime can be written as minus V by U into H. So the height from the problem, it is given that the object height is equal to 4 centimeter. So V is equal to minus 37.5, that is divided by U value, that will be equal to minus 25 into height is equal to 4. On solving, we get minus 6 centimeter. So the value of H prime, that will be 6 centimeter. So the image form is at a distance of 37.5 from the pole to the left side, and the size of the height of the image is going to be minus 6 centimeter. The minus sign represents the image will be formed in the below the principal axis.
Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for important updates.